Will Bitcoin find support at this key indicator? I'm Kian from CryptoBulls, and I'm really happy to have you here with me today. If you enjoy these type of videos, then I'd appreciate if you click that subscribe button and the notification bell. So let's get started. In this video, I want to show you the exact steps of how I try and find the best buying opportunities for Bitcoin, and also might show you where Bitcoin might find support in the next few weeks. In the second part of the video, I also want to show you exactly how you can set up this indicator on your own on TradingView. It's really simple, so I hope you enjoy this video. Now, I'm very happy and that Jacob Canfield decided to share this chart with us. And I want to break it down so that you can understand what's going on. There's many things going on in the chart, but it's actually pretty simple to understand. Now, the main indicator that is being used here is the 21 exponential moving average, and he's using a time frame of 1 week, which is super important because this means that we're looking in the future long term. So this is for long-term investing and not short-term investing. Now, as you can see here, this chart goes back pretty far back, actually like beginning of 2012. And this exponential moving average, I'll get my pen tool here so I can show it to you. All right, so here the exponential moving average. During a bull market, you will see that the price will touch the exponential moving average on many different occasions, as you can see here with these green arrows at the bottom of the line. So the chart is above the exponential moving average during the bull trend, and during the bear trend, the price of the chart will be underneath this moving average, with the price sometimes going up and barely touching the line from the bottom. Now, here below on this chart here, you will see the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, and the RSI is an indicator of how popular stock or cryptocurrency is. So what that means is the higher the line is on the Relative Strength Index, that means that a stock has been bought a lot. So the highest, for example, everything over 75 is considered to be overbought, and everything underneath the 25 or 30 level is considered to be oversold. And when this line here is above the 53 point level, then, and it stays consistently above this level, and it comes back and touches on several occasions this 53 point level, then we would consider that a bull market. Now, we've got several indicators here. So first of all, we can look at the RSI on the long term, and we can look at the exponential moving average. So when the price is above this exponential moving average, and the RSI is above the 50, 52, 53 point level, then we are definitely in a bull market. But now the question is, when do you buy? When do you accumulate? When do you add to your position during such a market? And for me, my strategy in this case is a type of dollar cost averaging based on multiple indicators, but I really like to use the exponential moving average, especially the 21 exponential moving average for longer term investing. So what I would do is, when the RSI is above the 53 point level and the price breaks above the exponential moving average, I will wait before I buy. I might buy at the initial outbreak, so that would be here, and I will wait for the price to retest this level to add to my position. And each time the price retests the exponential moving average, I will add to my position, which is this green mark. Now, of course, it doesn't mean that the price cannot break back down below, but then should the price break back down below, then I will sell on the first contact of the exponential moving average from from the bottom. So when it comes down, it touches the price again. Now, what you can do now, I'll show you the exact steps of how you can set this up in TradingView, how you can add some alerts to this so you can just go to sleep, do your daily stuff, and be notified as soon as the price touches the exponential moving average, as it might be only a few hours that the price is at those levels. And with a notification, it will signal to you when you can accumulate and buy more Bitcoin. So let's move over, open up TradingView. You can make a free account on tradingview.com. You can also click down on the link below. That will help me out if you decide at a later stage to get a premium account. Now, your charts will look like this. Now, what you want to do is above here at the wave and the plus sign on indicators, you will click on it and the panel will open up and you can look for exponential moving average. Here, and then you can select the moving average exponential and it will be added to your chart. Now, one thing that is very important is that here on your taskbar at the top, you've got different time frames and you want to select the 1 week time frame, as we're looking at a much longer period of time into the future. So now we would like to customize our exponential moving average. At the moment it's set to 9 periods. So basically the exponential moving average takes the average of the last 9 candles, but we would not like 9, we would like 21. So 21 means it's going to be a much slower moving average than the 9 period moving average. All right, so here we've got the exponential moving average. I will also change the color and the style a little bit so that it's a lot more visible. Here you can change the style. You can also change the color and make it, yeah, this blue sounds good, but I think I'll make it a lot fatter. All right, so now it's very visible. So here we've got the Bitcoin chart. And what I wanted to say before is, as you can see here, during the bull market, we had multiple touch points here. And then we also had the touch point here. And those would have been perfect entries to accumulate more and add to your position. Here we didn't actually have a touch point, so that would have not been a signal to buy. But if you would have bought at these intervals here and here, then you would have a very decent profit. Now, you can have other strategies to sell, but a certain way to make sure that you exit the market with some profit would have been each time the price breaks down below the exponential moving average and it comes back up to retest. So, for example, this would have been one case where you would sell here, you would sell here, and you would sell on this price point here on 7,655. So in this case, you would have always made a profit. It wouldn't be the best profit in the world. You wouldn't have sold at the top, but you would have sold and made some profit, and profit is better than no profit in each case. However, now what I would like to know, and that is the key indicator, this is very important. Will Bitcoin manage to bounce off of the 21 exponential moving average in the next 2 to 3 weeks? That's a big question. And my target buy area in the next few weeks is going to be around the 9,000 US dollar range. So here I will make a nice rectangle to show you what I mean. So since it's not very clear where exactly this buy area is, I'm going to have, my buying starting point might be around 9,400 US dollars all the way down to 8,600 US dollars. So don't want to buy everything on one go. Now, the thing is, what you can do now is you can create an alert. So click on the exponential moving average and double click on it. And here you can select add alert on exponential moving average, 21 close at 8,900. Now what you can do is you click on this and you get a panel where you can customize your alert. And what you can do is instead of choosing a price, you can say, for example, crossing up, crossing down, greater than, entering channel, and so on. So what you would want to select is you want to have an alert when the price crosses below the exponential moving average. So you will select crossing down, and you can select one time, and all right. Please excuse my mistake. What you first have to do is you have to select BTC USD. So that's the chart. So you have to select BTC USD and it's crossing down. And here, instead of value, you could also make a price alert. But here, instead of value, you will click on that and select the exponential moving average and only once. So what this means is the condition is when the price crosses below the exponential moving average and one time. However, you can do also once per bar, once per minute, and so on. However, I like to choose only once, and you can select the expiration date, and you will get an email. So notify on app is also possible, and that's it. And when you click on create, then you will have an alert that alerts you at the point when the price goes below the exponential moving average. And in my opinion, that would be a very good time to buy Bitcoin, but that is not financial advice. It's just my own opinion. So don't base your financial decisions on some random YouTubers on YouTube. It's just my opinion and how I would proceed in this scenario. So that was it for this video. Hope you liked it. And of course, if you've got any topics that you would like me to break down, then add it in the comments below. Without further ado, I wish you a fantastic day and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.